Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fitbit Sense 2 easy guide step by step clearly. To set up your Fitbit Sense 2, start by removing the device from its packaging. Next, charge your Fitbit Sense 2 using the included charging cable. Connect the charging cable to a USB power source. Once charged, press and hold the side button until you see the Fitbit logo. After the logo appears, select your preferred language on the screen. Now, download the Fitbit app on your smartphone. Open the Fitbit app and sign in or create a new account if needed. Tap the Join Fitbit button if you're a new user. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile. Now, from the app home screen, tap on the device icon, then select Set up a device. Choose Sense 2 from the list of devices. Follow the instructions to pair your Fitbit with your smartphone. When prompted, enter the code displayed on your Fitbit Sense 2 into the app. Once paired, customize your device settings in the app. You can adjust notifications, choose which apps to install, and more. After customization, you can explore features like heart rate tracking and stress management. Finally, wear your Fitbit Sense 2 on your wrist for optimal use. Your setup is complete, and you're ready to start tracking your health and activity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if, after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.